Okay, AP Chemistry, I've had a couple of y'all send me messages on Remind. Either y'all weren't able to make it to the Zoom meetings or something else. Asking about the AP exam, so I just want to clarify some things. As of right now, Crowley is closed indefinitely, which means obviously we probably don't know when we're going to be back. The AP exam is still happening for any and all AP exams that you signed up for. It's just going to be switched to online. And so they said that you can take it on a phone, a laptop, an iPad, any sort of electronic devices. So that does include your phone that you're probably watching this video on right now. It's going to be a 45-minute test online, completely online, 45 minutes. And it's going to be all free response questions. Now then, the trick is figuring out which free response questions it's going to be and how hard it's going to be, because they say that you won't have the time to Google answers, that it is going to make it to where those extra resources aren't essentially going to help. Which, when I was in college, what that means is they're going to ask a lot of why and how and explain and deeper understanding level stuff. Probably some math in there, but more conceptual than anything else, which is why we're going through those bonding notes. That being said, you can also, they say that you can take a picture of your work and like scan it in, or you could do it electronically on your phone. But if you have a scratch sheet of paper to do all your work, like in English to write the essay, if you didn't want to type it out or something, it sounds like you could also handwrite it and scan it in. Again, it's going to be online, 45 minutes. On April 3rd, they're going to release the testing dates. As of right now, we don't know what days it's going to be, but each test, you're going to have 2 different days that you can choose from. So that means that for chemistry, they're going to release 2 different days that you could take it. I don't know what these days may be, but maybe let's just say it's like May 11th or May 12th. You could take it either day, and you can pick which one works best for you, and then you log on all on your own and you take it. From what I understand, since it's online at home, you'll have to have your own periodic table and formula chart and stuff like that out. Some teachers are debating that it's open note because of all of this. So I'll try to find out more information on all of that. Again, College Board's going to release more on April 3rd, but the summary is a 45-minute online exam that you take at home that is all free response. So hopefully this clears up some confusion. Oh, also they cut out, since of everything, they cut out the end units. They cut out units 8 and units 9. So that means we're only doing units 1 through 7, which we already finished 7. So that cuts out acids and bases. It cuts out an electrochem, and it cuts out like Gibbs free energy and entropy. But it's good to understand Gibbs free energy and entropy because it can help you with enthalpy. So yeah, hopefully that answers all your questions. And if you have any more, please send me remind messages, and I will be updating whenever I hear more on April 3rd, okay?